Hello everyone, my name is Tushar Garg and today I am going to teach you some more new concept of admin. The one thing which I missed in the previous lecture, like how to create a developer account. So for that you just need to go to the developer.salesforce.com and click on try for a new account and you can sign up and you can create a new account from there. Okay. Hope this is clear. Okay. You can also create your Trailblazer account. So you need to go to the Trailblazer. Okay, and from here you can log in and you can create a Salesforce Trailblazer account. Okay, so simply sign up and your Trailblazer account will be created from here. Okay, so now the thing is like what is the new topic which I discussed today. So today I'm going to discuss with the user profile and permission sets. Okay, so what is user and what is profile and what is permission set. So first thing is what is user. So user is any person who is going to use Salesforce. So here I am using this. So it means I am user. So basically if I am using this Salesforce account, so I have one user, right? So if I go here, I see my user. This is my user account. If I go to the user, then I see this is my user, right? So in Salesforce, we will create one user. How to create a user? You just go to the new user button. Okay. And here you can type any user like Aryan Agarwal, Mr. Tushar Garg, role and license and profile. So role is not mandatory. It's showing mandatory, but it's not mandatory actually. Uh, License is something like you can say that what type of license you want to give to your user. Like how can I say the license? Like um, when you go to any car servicing department, they will tell you like okay, you want full service or you want some average service or you want some minimum service. It's a very bad example actually, but this is something you can say that. So same for Salesforce actually. According to license, you can see the Salesforce platform. Like if you have a Salesforce license, then you can see lot of things. If you have chatter license, you can only do the chattings in Salesforce. If you have platform license, then it is only used for platform purpose, right? So I'm using Salesforce license and I'm using that standard user, and simply I can go and create. So one, okay, this is duplicate, so I will write your 3@gmail.com and save it. So after that you will receive one email once you verify that your user will be created. Hope you understand how to create a user. Okay, this is fine. Okay, now the second thing is profile. Okay, what is profile? So in Salesforce, user is something who is used the Salesforce. Now in Salesforce I have 100 user, right? All 100 user can do anything in Salesforce? No, na. Means we cannot give every permission to every user, right? We cannot say that okay, if one user are able to see the courses, then it is not mandatory that other user are also able to see the courses. Maybe other user are not able to see the courses. Maybe I am seeing the account, but other user are not able to see the account. Maybe I am able to see this sales tab, but other user are not able to see the sales app. How you can give that type of permission to user? Means those permissions are connected with user, na, right? You can bind the user with some type of permissions, right? And those permissions are bind with profile. Okay, so when you create a user, you choose one profile, na. So that profile is something will give you the give user the permission of how, what they can see, what they can do, what they cannot do. which field they can see, which object they can see, which apex class they can see, everything, every permission you can give with the profile. Hope this is clear. Hope this is clear, right? Now, how to create a profile? You cannot create a new profile without cloning the old profile. So whenever you create a new profile, you just need to clone one profile, and you like write that something like standard user profile. So this is a clone profile of a standard user. Okay. So now when you save it, it will open the profile layout with you. Okay. So here you are seeing the page layouts. So here you can define that which user can see which type of layout. Okay, if I go to the college assignment, then here I can assign the page layout according to profile. Okay, for my profile, I want to give this type of permissions. So it is simply like when you go to the page layout also, no, it is give you page layout assignment. So you can define that. If you have 10 layout, if you have 10 page layout, then which profile can see which page layout? Like it is possible that system administrator can see different layout, but the standard user is are seeing some different layout. Without using the record type also, you can show the different pages according to profile. Hope this is clear. And how you can give this page layout assignment? Using under the profile, you can go and you can assign the page layout. Simple. Now field, like here you are seeing lot of fields, right? Now I want that my user cannot see the phone, my user can not see the parent, my user cannot see the rating. How you can give this permission? So you just go to the field level security. Okay. And here you can give the permission of read and edit, like if the user can see that field or not, if user can edit that field or not. One thing, if you remove the edit permission, if you remove the read permission, then you cannot give the edit permission, because if you are not able to see the field, how you can edit that, right? So read access is, if you want that if that user are able to see that field, then you can give the read permission. If you don't want to give the if you don't want that user will able to see the field, then you remove the read permission. Okay. Edit is something like you are seeing this pencil icon. If we don't have edit permission in the profile level, then you are not able to see this. Hope this is clear. Hope you understand what is read and edit access. So here you can give the field level security. Now custom app setting. So see, this user are able to see these much of app. These much of app. I want that that user are not able to see sales app. Right? How can I do that? So simply you can go edit the profile, and where is the sales app? Yes. So sales is the default app, so you can make it another one default and you can remove the permission. Default app is those app which is by default open. So when I log in the Salesforce, always sales app will open because of this is default app. Hope this permission also you understand. So if I want to remove any app permission, then you can go to the custom app setting. Okay. So page layout you understand, field level security you understand, custom app setting you understand. Now the tab setting. So I want that like someone can see this tab or someone cannot see this tab. Now this user are able to see this tab. If I want, I can remove the permission of that tab, then that user are not able to see that tab. So from tab setting you can default on or tab hidden. You can on this tab or you can hidden that tab. Hope this is also you understand. Record type. So you remember I create two record types, right? So for course set, technical and non-technical. Now I want that particular user will only see the technical layout, technical record type. So when you go to the courses and you click on new, then you are seeing two record type. But if I remove that permission from here, then you are not able to see that record type. Then in that case, you are only seeing one record type. So you can add or remove some record type permission on the user level from record type setting. These are the administrative permission. You can skip that now. General permission you can skip. This one you can see. So every object you can give read, create, edit, delete, view all, modify all, view all field permission. What is read? If some object is having read permission, then you are able to see the object. Then you are able to see this object and this record. Okay. If you have read permission, create. If you have create permission, then you are able to see the new button. Otherwise, you are not able to see. Edit. If you go and click on, if you are seeing these pencils icon because you have edit permission. Otherwise, you are not able to delete. Here you are seeing the delete button. If you don't have delete permission, then you cannot. View all, modify all is like if you have view all permission or modify all permission, that you can see all the record in Salesforce. Same, if you have modified all permission, you can edit any record in Salesforce. See, you see view all fields. So view all field is like when you check this checkbox, then you are able to see view all the fields. So yeah, these are the main things which I want to discuss on the profile level. Now the permission set. So in the user, okay, think I have two users, Tushar and Aryan. Both user is having same profile, system standard user you can say that. But I want that Aryan can see some more object, but I want Tushar cannot see those object. Now how can you do that? Maybe you can create one more profile and assign to Aryan with some extra permission, right? Okay, this is one way. Now I have 10 users, and for all 10 users I have same profile, but I want that some user are able to see some object, but some other user are not able to see some object. Some user can see some field, some object not. So for all 10 users you will create 10 profiles. If you have 100 users, then you will create 100 profiles. No. So basically profile will give you some base level permissions. And apart from that, if you want to increase some permissions, then you need to choose permission set. You need to create some permission set. And once you create new permission set, you can find the same type of things which you see in the profile level. Same type of permissions you can give on the permission set level also. Okay. And those permission sets you can simply assign to that user. Hope you understand that. So yeah, this is all the things which I want to discuss with you guys. Thank you so much for joining this lecture. We will meet soon with another lecture. Thank you. Just go and do some practice with profiles, permission set, create some users, assign some profile, give some permissions, remove some permissions. So these things you need to give. Okay. Thank you so much.